Hello students, now we will learn about subaerial stem modifications. Subaerial stem modifications are of four types. One is runners, second one offsets, third one suckers, fourth one stolons. First one about runners. Under runners, which plants do we read as an example? Example we read are oxalis, next cynodon. Cynodon is dug grass, normally grass that grows in the fields. Normal grass that grows in the fields. Here, in case of runners, stem is long, steady, with many branches, many nodes and internodes. So these branches develop at every node. Every node gives rise to new plant when touches the moist soil or moist land. If you see the diagrammatic representation, this is the earth layer, this is the main plant with fibrous roots. So this stem grows horizontally. It is having many nodes and internodes. When this node touches the moist soil, again it gives rise to new plant. So these are fibrous roots. Leaves grown on earth surface. Next, about offsets. Examples of studies under offsets are Istia, Eichhornia, etc. So here, how can we say offsets in a sentence? These are similar to runners, but these are aquatics completely, offsets. These are similar to runners, but completely aquatic plants. Their internodes are short, thick, and swollen. Nodes bear rosette leaves. So if this is completely water, if you think, if this is the node region which is having rosette form of leaves. A tuft of, so we can say tuft of means many number of leaves. So here one internode, it is swollen again, and here other node will be. So we are labeling this one. Here in case of offsets we see root pockets. Rosette, green leaves, root pockets, internode, that is swollen, and these are roots. This is water inside the water. We will write here one more point. Here stem develops mostly in one direction, but in case of offsets, stem develops in many directions. In many directions. Next, about suckers. Next, about suckers. Under suckers examples, if we write, that is mint. Under mint we have two types. One type is explained under sucker, other type is explained under stolon. This mint we commonly call as mentha, banana and pineapple. The type of mint is Mentha arvensis. Mentha arvensis. Banana basically is a rhizome, but it vegetatively propagates in the form of sucker. Is a rhizome, but vegetative propagation in form of sucker. Main stem position is within the soil. New branch arises from node of the stem and grows obliquely and towards the sun, means to outside of earth layer. If we cut the new stem at any part, then it will be growing into new branch or new plant. For suppose if we think this is the earth layer, stem position will be from here itself. Like this. Like this. We are telling stem will be having nodes and internodes. So new branch arises obliquely like this up to some distance. Then it will be coming to uppermost part of the earth layers. Like this. And it will be giving out to new branches. So this is new plant. So here examples we have seen like mint, that is Mentha arvensis, banana, pineapple. Banana is basically a rhizome, but during vegetative propagation it behaves as a sucker. So this is about suckers and their examples. Next, coming to stolons. In case of stolons, the main stem is giving rise to new branches that grow on the earth layers, but when they are bent and touching the soil, then they will give rise to, they are converted into new plants. So that we can write that in this, the branches develop from lower part of stem and they grow longer. Lower part of stem means from the node and they grow longer. But when they are bent like an arch and touches the soil, then they give rise to new plant, longer for some distance and bent like an arch. And touches, and when touches moist soil will develop roots. So if this is the earth layer, we are telling from the base part of the stem. Think that. So this part of plant has given rise to a new branch like this. So when this new branch touches the soil, then it gives rise to new plant. So this will be the taproot system. Like this. So here, which is new branch? This will be the new branch. It is bending like an arch. So we can say this is parent plant. This is new plant. So what are examples under stolons? Under stolons again, we say one example like mint, but that is Mentha piperita. So examples. Here we have written Mentha arvensis, but here I am writing like Mentha piperita. One example. Next one, strawberries, jasmines, etc. Jasmine, strawberry. So these are main examples under stolons. So the main difference between suckers and stolons we can remember. In suckers, main stem is growing within the soil. But in case of stolons, main stem is not growing within the soil, but the lower part, base part of the stem is giving rise to new branch that grows like an arch. Up to some distance it will be normally growing, but later it will be bending like an arch. So these are few examples under suckers, stolons, offsets and runners. For offsets we also can give one more name like aquatic runners.